So I have an object in my tire. You can hear it hissing on this 2005 Subaru Impreza. So here's how to do the tire change. First of all, there are little hooks on all the secret panels. There are a lot of secret panels in your trunk. So the big one, you open up, there's a tire in there and a little bag with a lug wrench in it. So you just unscrew the big bolt in the middle of the tire, and then on the side of the tire compartment is the lever that you're going to use to operate the jack. So liberate that one. And then on the left side of the compartment, there's a little turn thingy, and that has a jack in it. It's a really tight fit, so you're going to have to wrestle this thing in and out of here when you're changing the tire, but it does fit. You just have to put it in exactly the right way. And then once you've got all of those things assembled, go to the outside of your vehicle, and the jack has a little groove in it, so you just want to get the body of the car into that groove right in front of the rear tire, and then, or front tire for that matter if you're doing a front, and then get your lug wrench out of the bag. I like to jack it up a little bit so the tire's still on the ground, and then loosen up the bolts just a little bit, and then raise it up into the air and finish cranking them loose. And then once it's loose, I like to put the tire under the body of the car just in case it falls down so it doesn't destroy the wheel or chop my leg off or something. And while you're doing this, because there's no safety jack, do not put any part of your body underneath the car at any time. And then grab your little spare tire, bicycle tire, piece of crap tire, and put the nuts on it. Tighten them up with the lug wrench, take the jack off, put it back in the trunk, and you are done. Now, as an experiment, I used the slime tire patcher to patch the tire. So I'll do a long-term update after I've put some miles on this thing. I've gone about 30 miles on it so far, and it hasn't leaked yet. So I'll let you know in the future on this channel if this stuff actually works or if I'm stranded again.